how to hide likes on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can hide likes on Facebook, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to hide likes on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and simply launch the Facebook application, and then once you launch the Facebook app, you'll basically see this type of interface. Now maybe you don't want other people to see the likes or the number of likes in your post, and you don't want to see the other people's like at the same time. You can actually turn this feature off from Facebook settings. So to do that, just tap on the three lines icon first of all, scroll down and then go to settings and privacy, then go to the option called settings over here. Then once you go to settings, you'll see all these sorts of options. Under preferences, you'll find the option called reaction preferences. Right now, depending upon the update, the interface may be a little bit different, because just last week Facebook had some other interface, now it's set to another. So over here you want to look for reaction preferences, and you can see a hide number of reactions on posts from others, which means you will not be able to see on other people's posts the number of their reactions, or on your own post as well, because other people who view your profile will not be able to see the number of likes on your own post. And this is simply how you can hide likes on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.